Welcome to the channel. I am Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got 2019 Jeep Renegade. I am going to show you how to do front brake pad. I'm going to start it from driver side one. Need to fully lock turn wheel to the right hand side. After that I'm going to jack up and I'm going to show you how to change front brake pads. If you not still subscribe our channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I will come back to you as soon as possible. This is the tool we needed for this job. We need a jack and we need a impact gun. This is 70-inch long socket polymer coating. This one won't damage the alloy. Then also, if vehicle has a lock nut key like this, you need a lock nut key, otherwise you can't open the tire. And also ratchet number 7, Allen key for the Allen socket for the pin, and sometime you need a breaker bar like this one. Remove the nut, and you need a flat screwdriver, also wire brush and adjustable spanner like this, and rag. Also you need a copper grease, and this is silicone grease for the slider pin, and you need a brake cleaner. Also sometimes you need a light. This is the tool for this job. It's not a hard job. Follow all step I'll show you, then you ending with another success job. Let's go for a job. A Sunday, very frosty day, -2. See the all frost trees. However, can't stop anything because of the weather. I'm going to show you where's the jacking point. You can see this arrow mark underneath here. You can see the metal beading. This is the jacking point for this car. I'm going to jack up and going to remove the wheel. First I'm going to take out this retention spring. You can use it flat screwdriver like this, put inside and take it out. Next step, you can use flat screwdriver, put inside here in between disc and pad, and just fly like this, and you can press caliper. Make sure caliper piston all way in, otherwise you have to take it out and you need to press again. If you do it once, you can save in bit time. Next step, need to remove this plastic dust cap, top one and bottom one. After that, it's holding Allen screw number 7 Allen. After that, you can lift up this caliper and leave it safer place like this. After that, you need to clean this brake pad runner because it's filled with the brake pad dust. I'm going to use wire brush to clean that area. If it wire brush not clean properly, you can use flat screwdriver like this and clean properly. Otherwise, if you not clean properly, sometimes it's end with seized brake pad or uneven wear brake pads. I'm going to compare old brake pad and new brake pad. You can see as it is, it's not a correct brake pad because customers supply the part. You can see the edge, totally different edge. That's mean this pad I can't use it. I had to ask customer to bring the correct part. And the inside one also, you can see the similar. Totally it's not right one. I leave the job as it is and I'm going to install everything and I'm going to leave it for next time. I'm waiting for until customer bring the correct parts. Sorry for that one. You need to wait until it's come back. Thank you. I am sorry, I am going to decide to finish this job. I'm going to assuming old pad as a new pad and I'm going to show you how to do it. Otherwise, I had to hold this video for until the new part come. Sorry, you imagine as this is the new pad. You have to apply little bit copper grease here and there. Apply tiny copper grease, don't going to apply too much, like this and like this, and install for the outside. And the inside there is a clip go to the piston hole and also brake pad wear sensor here. I'm going to show you. It's like this, new wear sensor like this, but it's already gone this one. However, assuming this is the new brake pad, I'm going to apply little bit copper grease to edge like this, and after that install brake pad through the brake piston hole. After that, need to install caliper. After that, we need to take one by one out caliper holding pin, you can see there is a dust build up. First take out top one and clean properly. And after that you can, this is special silicone grease for the caliper runners. I am not going to apply copper grease because sometimes when I apply the copper grease, because of the dust it's going to be stuck. Because of that I am not going to apply copper grease, I am apply silicone grease. No need to take too much, this one more than enough. Apply in the surface and install top one. After that take out the bottom one. Sometimes this pin has a two sizes. If you take it up both at once, you are going to mix up top one and the bottom one. Because of that I am advised to you always go one by one. Do the top side or bottom side first, then after that go into the other one. And you have to follow the same routing. Clean it nicely. After that need to apply little bit silicone grease. And install. Using half an inch ratchet for this job. However, I am advised to you proper tool for the proper job. I know what's the torque of this one, because if you're using half an inch ratchet and give the pressure from the edge, it's too much pressure for this pin. Because of that I am advised to you can using quarter inch ratchet or 3/8 ratchet. When you're using half a inch ratchet, be careful. That's why I'm holding ratchet close to the top. I'm not holding here. Right, once you do this one, after that make sure install two dust cap. Right, next step I need to install retention spring here. Install top side. After that you can put the finger here and just push there. Sorry. Yeah, if you can't do by fingers like me, you have another option using like a adjustable spanner like this, and do the pressure here. Once you do the pressure here like this, then this pin slightly come into the here. After that you need to push by finger like this. Okay, all done this side. After that I'm going to install tire. There is another tip to install tire. First take tire close to there. After that take your socket and put nut like this, put it through the hole. Then after that you can see inside hole through this space lined up for the inside, then you are fine. Like this. Now it's lined up. Just do the hand tight. Right. After that you can use the gun. This is the lock nut. Don't give too much pressure for this one like other nut. That's it, tiny pressure. After that, once you've done the brake, make sure take out this wheel lock nut key and leave it at the safer place. Otherwise, many people do the job, they forget it and leave it as it is, then it will fall off. After that, they ending with unnecessary problem. They can't open the tires. Because of that, make sure put it to the safer place once you've done the job. To lower the jack, and another very important thing, once you do the brake, go inside the car and make sure pump your brake pedal. See, when I touch first time, it's going until flow. You have to do 5-6 times. After that, you can see it won't go to the floor. It has a tension. Make sure do it this one also, don't going to forget it. Otherwise you ending with unexpected incident. This is the way we need to follow to the change in front brake pads. However, sorry for the I can't use it proper parts because the customer supply the part is not a correct one. Anyway, you have a good idea how to do the front brake pad. Yeah, thanks. See you with another video. If you not subscribe our channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.